వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
NOI Text 2 Episode 10 नाना शास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणौ सद्धर्म संस्थापकौ लोकानां हितकारिणौ त्रिभुवने मान्यौ शरण्याकरौ राधाकृष्ण पदारविन्द भजनानन्देन मत्तालिकौ वन्दे रूप सनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीव गोपालकौ. We already discussed about 9 episodes. In the 10th episode, every one of us told to our spiritual master at the time of initiation these 4 regulative principles: no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex. So, intoxication with pride is a more serious intoxication than intoxication with other things. Intoxication with pride is a more serious intoxication than all other intoxications, because other things may be able to give up. Pride is such a killer of our spiritual life. In my own life, I experienced so many times about this in so many persons. With my own practical experience, I faced so much trouble with this pride. Whatever advancement you make or made, finish it in no time at all. Pride. You can offend great personalities. For example, Daksha. He was so proud. Daksha Prajapati. He was so proud. He was offending Lord Shiva. So, such a great personality, Daksha was proud. So, he offended. So, this principle is very key for devotees. No intoxication. All the things you are gaining simply by descending mercy, not by our own this and that, our own efforts. That's why with humility, trunadapi sunichena taroriva sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada harihi. With humility, less than a blade of grass, tolerant than tree, and no expectation of respect, give respect to everybody. With this mood, you have to do japa, sankirtana. Then, with melted heart, Nee namame maaku nidhiyu nidanamu. Nee namame maaku nidhiyu nidanamu. Nee namame atma nidananjanamu. नमो नमो केशव नमो नारायण नमो नमो माधव नमो गोविंद नमो नमो विष्णु नमो मधुसूदन नमो नमो विष्णु नमो मधुसूदन नमो त्रिविक्रम नमो वामन नमो त्रिविक्रम नमो वामन. నీ నామమే మాకు నిధియు నిధానము. నీ నామమే ఆత్మ నిదానాంజనము. नमो नमो श्रीधर नमो ऋषिकेश नमो पद्मनाभ नमो दामोदर नमो संकर्षण नमो वासुदेव नमो संकर्षण नमो वासुदेव नमो प्रद्युम्नते नमो अनिरुद्ध नमो प्रद्युम्नते नमो अनिरुद्ध नी नाममे माकु निधियु निधानं नी नाममे आत्मनिधानाञ्जनम् नमो पुरुषोत्तम नमो अधोक्षज नमो नारसिंह नमोस्तु अच्युता नमो जनार्दन नमोस्तु उपेन्द्र नमो जनार्दन नमोस्तु उपेन्द्र नमो श्रीवेंकटेश नमो श्रीकृष्ण नमो श्रीवेंकटेश नमो श्रीकृष्ण नी नाममे माकु निधियु निधानं नी नाममे आत्मनिदानाञ्जनम्. In this mood you have to do everything, whatever you do with the devotees, with no intoxication, with no pride. You have to humbler than a blade of grass and tolerant than a tree. Never expect respect. Even if you accept a drop of respect, you have to take birth in this material world. The aspiration for respect in the pastime of Ambarisa by Durvasa Muni is great trouble to Durvasa Muni. It leads to great trouble. It leaded to great trouble to Durvasa. So we are always been very, very humble in the mood of service with gratitude. We should accept all those gifts of use it for the purpose, for the intended. Of course, we should never do other types of intoxication. Another type of intoxication is eating too many sweets. Eating too many sweets. Some people have this intoxication. It also intoxicates you, especially just people going to bed. Before going to bed at nights, if you eat a lot of sweets, the consequences be very, very worst. Particularly those who are serving celibacy, brahmacharis. Too many sweets may intoxicate it. Unless one is very advanced in Krishna consciousness, one will not able to digest all those things. One mother and child and saint, there is a story. I discussed it in the previous classes. You hear my previous classes, then you can understand that. Now, this is the purity of saintly person. He is very honest. First practice, then preaches. We can understand from the purity of the saintly person. First he practiced, then he taught to the child. So intoxication. Now gambling. Srila Prabhupada said, no gambling. We all promised no meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling. We all promised before initiation, at the time of initiation. Especially those of us who were initiated. What is gambling? First we have to understand what is gambling. Gambling is that the outcome is not sure. The result is not sure. That is gambling. So it is uncertainty. When it give you auspicious or inauspicious results, you can never be sure. Even the greatest of fighters, Arjuna, was not sure. So unless we strictly follow the guidance of the spiritual master, we are gambling somehow or other. Only by following guidelines of the spiritual master, we can be 100% sure. There is auspicious that come for us. the result cannot be materially comfortable. There was just showing one of the devotees. Before I came here, I had served 15 to 16 years. Finally, Krishna punishes me. He may be temple president. It appears like a greater reward, but it is a great punishment. It is a great punishment. For someone who is very renounced these things. We can continue in the next episode. I am stopping here. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा